Orofo moimo akwaba emfa GCN page so midin ede adwoa sechi. Mr. Subscribe to my channel. Founsa mi abe on so. Ubenya notification and send me koso abia ubenya bi etie anase ubenya bi ahwe. Felix Apia eye Ghana ni body short abrochi. Oye blogger ewo Facebook esanso eye musician. Na oye NPP ni because onankasa akaso oye NPP ni. Na or the ensemi atudwane sema okay na ne se Danado esa is onu Felix no ye NPP ni na empo no ye musician na ode ne career ato nchen onfa ho because Ghana ho yeye Ghana dadwen eda na koma so enti se amanfo cry enti enendum na so beka ensempa che Ghana na se Ghana man na tie no mo ato abama NPP aba because NPP aba no ye party be ye good na so omo de omo life ato danger no mo border ru a che Ghana for so omo to abama NPP abai omo border ru sa na do nwini dia ene no mo gina so aka che say his excellency omo srewa na nsen yen ya nente ye titititi anasa amafo keka e wo Ghana ha no se omo ye gay ena lesbians omo aba ji asase nyantam wo Ghana ha eba besi omo office na cheze na gay na lesbian afi na be koso ye papa omo beje approval e wo government ni wonom se omo legalize gay and lesbian e wo Ghana ha no na ene asofo asori agina Christopher Nkremofo na bosonsomfo asori agina wo Ghana ha no se nya de beba so nde aba so ochina because Ghana ha no sa de no ini amamrem ena constitution no kran kire yensa enti nana Felix Apia osrew nana wan kasa wonye Ghana fo hwekura o de planted for food and jobs e buy o de free education e buy any one district one factory o de buy kra no 2020 about there too so when de Ghana fo nka woye osusu kra eno kra no waye Ghana fo bone no na 2024 about no se mo pese mo ton de ma NDC for free dia ene nana gay and lesbianism na omo pese omo baji hi wo Ghana ha no wantu ase a 2024 mo hu ni ye kura about no mo hu ni Ghana fo ye bebo model se beto aba na ma NDC fo no mo aba ni ahwe do mo so beye because na now kasa we legalize gay and lesbianism wo Ghana ha no na why because ya mambre no kura do gay and lesbianism no enya de abua ye na constitution Ghana mbra kura chesa ntinana Felix chesa ye bibi keka ho na ma ho me so because gay and lesbianism no etia nya membra entia nya membra kura o de function ye ntada sitini obemba eba ne se na ukon edo yonko bema oba eba ne se na ukon edo yonko ba ntinana gay and lesbianism na ebe koso Ghana ha no enya de ebo akwa nti Felix Apia chese nana 2024 apato no mpese mu wi ndia and gay na lesbian hu se ebe koso Ghana he mu hwe na mu ka na mo fa ye antu ye na nya de a ade we mu susem nya de ese so kra e wo Ghana ha no nti ensem Felix e de etuya
this is what is in the law. Nana Akufo-Addo MPP for mama my engineer my year to ha man crofo ma me fire so. Yeah, yes, idea we are selling 2024. Nana Akufo-Addo. This thing if we sit down for this thing to go, we are selling 2024 to the opposition party for free. Okay? Because idea no nyanye bone nana unyanye bone kra no hwede omo yema ho. Okay, unyanye bone kura no hwede ya Ghana fo ekoto aba ne de yema ho na wo sa akoye bone eti se ya etia wankasa wo belief ni wankasa wo som a wo som de ya empanifo a etufo Ghana yeye na na etufo se we de memma we ma eyemusuo ade a Bible a yede yen no me no ne yede tete yen abo hu dawura kire yen se enya depenti yempe na oman a wutin eye half kremo eye half Christian no enkremofo nso so Christopher nso so e se be traditional fo kura so so any nana, no matter what money is involved, no matter where the situation is, I'm begging you, Nana, please. Saturday, wait here. I just read the same constitution that governs Ghana to all of us. Please, you can also go and check it out. Nana, this is not something we can allow to happen in Ghana. Please, homosexuality cannot prevail in Ghana. Omo person omo homosexuals, omo ntu They said the Ankrofo omo partners ebe fefa omo no mama mo partners ebe fefa omo na mama yen leave country no as clean as it is. Please, because sadie we are me who cultural me who any religious any sane person be obe say obe be defend sadie we inti mesremo nana like I've said onye bone kra no ye pe odi ade abo wutirim na wasen akoye we. So please put your leg down. Ayokobotwe, foreign ministry, interior ministry, defense, you guys need to start be up and doing. Use the use the constitution and the criminal Offenses Act as we have made for Ghana and abolish this thing. We cannot allow them to have a space in Ghana. If they want to have a space in Ghana, then they should make sure say we go into the because Nana, for you to know, and I know you know this because you're a lawyer, for this thing to happen, that means we must go and change the constitution. We must go into parliament and change the constitution. We must have the parliamentarians and the whole of Ghana having a consensus on it. Say yes, I feel that you say Bemanda. Nana. Say if that is what we want to propagate and give them an office, then we must change the laws. But as long as the laws hasn't been changed, as long as the laws hasn't been laid before parliament for approval or whatsoever, and it hasn't had the consent of the majority of the people, Nana, it cannot be tolerated. It is against our laws. It is against the constitution of Ghana. And please, let whichever office takes care of that be there, be up and doing. Mr. Remo, if they want to do that, let them move out. Omo person omo ko ware mema no munko other countries on bema mo kwan na makoye sa na mo de munja Ghana mayen. So what you say munja Ghana mayen, because there is no need. Whatever it is, Nana, don't let this, because this one there, Nana, I'm your darling boy, but this one, if you allow this thing to happen, Nana, it will be very it will be a very big disappointment, and it will be a very big dent. It will be a very big dent. People believe in you. Nkofo hu se we nyansani kotia Alote Jacobs oye NDC ni o praise we se we nyansani we matured politician nu nti onu ankasa party den etu agu no so na nkofo bebre na de yani ato wo so ayenim se wo de wo nyansa na wo akukuduro men koma foreign pressures bi sebe EU omoman ya he na omoman yen if anything na China for kraman is catching EU for no mesrew Wara say one kasa with the policies about planting for food and jobs. Say wine, one district, one factory, there. Please let us find a way to make it. Don't allow us to go put and hang ourselves into these kind of things, because it would not take us anywhere. Nana, please. With all due respect, Ayokobotwe, wherever you are, I hope you guys are listening to me. This is why Sodom and Gomorrah was banned, and we will not allow it. I've never seen any Muslim brother or anywhere in the Quran where it says homosexuality is a legal thing or is a good thing for us to practice. Neither does the Bible I read say so. And as far as we are guided by these principles of life, I would plead with you, Nana, who you Christoni, the sebe ye principle e da hono, and no yesi ye yusu, nyese wa be ye president inti, ne tumi e bedi unsentino, sisike bi e beba, bibi e beba se somu bi anana sebe na okweku som sebe ba ne sa na akoma se yen ya kuma ono ne yakon sebe umpredu asam manu sisunu aso enkwase yakon because ye kon because say ye jiwudi ye kon because say we on mind like or mampenia wutie wo I'm like what mind for we are fighting because we know say what can we these are the things we want to see you doing. Nana, nobody is against you. We are fully for you. That is why some of us has to put our careers on the line and still put our face in cameras to defend your good works you are doing for Ghana. Do not sit down and allow any EU to come and dictate how our life is supposed to be. Anybody who is in Ghana, that's also or no dear, and Nembreya and May, Yamia Roma, Nehonya for Kram of Ancham, said, I mean, like, I'm not talking about, say, like physical appearance, and I say, but say, on ye, you cry now, Unyamia Roma, store near the idea why will be to me dress a come a DP, and there will be a honor time will be a CBU. Baby abe bia pons nya de ade ntino obi aye kama na se obi de oso ono de sebe se kwabrane a memanim de dendin sei no pa nana mo mu free Ghana no mo nkokura on be kwa kope dadeba e de awewe dade so because the oman a ye de boy yen no ye the Bible nu Quran ene ye de tete yen Bible nu Quran so anka nkire yen baby ase wo ba ne bema sebe bema ne bema enkonkoda bema ne bema koda akole ntumi mfiri mu the purpose of marriage is defeated. Mesrew saa de mfaso ni so wo mo enyo omo de no so wo mo ye na so wo mo de wo mo still nice girls ya be ye hu bi ye nkope bi nko ani onko kasa na so wo mo de sebe wo mo ho mfiamfia na na wo mo pa. Please let them go out of here and then go and do it where they want. Okay, let them go where they want and let them go and do it. Ghana de sebio ye Koran no and jis adie nintum ye Bible no and jis adie nintum ye shinap no ene bansere no and jis adie nintum tinana we de ye sraw sika bia ya promises ye de be ma nu nti ye besi office wo no nana ye nkobubu office nu as a matter of fact the interior ministry when with security agencies by now should be up and doing whichever officer wo no nkobubu sa office no